Hammock life's not that comfortable. You seem to have built my hammock and Cheryl Gascoigne's hammock in a sort of spring pulley system. So when I get in, Cheryl goes up. So I kind of didn't want to get up because she's so nice. I didn't want to wake her up. But then after a bit, I thought she'd probably prefer that I wake her up than urinate in my hammock. Morning, campers.
How's Dom this morning?
Very good.
What I just do this and...
I have to say, your snoring is amateurish.
Is it?
I give it a grade 2, max.
My missus is worse than you, mate.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you hear me?
Oh, yeah. We heard you in fucking New Zealand.
You see, I could barely hear you. You can't snore.
That's good.
Get over it. How you doing, dude?